time never died. We kept pushing. And now, it's finally happened. The first ever Call of Duty Mobile Battle Royale LAN tournament made real. Thanks to our sponsors, our organizers, and to you, the community. This is for every fan who believed. This is for the game we love. Welcome to the Dawn of Valor Battle Royale LAN tournament.
Wow!